Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 24 of our 31-day writing prompt series. If you're enjoying these, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there's a link in the comments section if you would like to receive the series in your inbox each morning. Today's prompt centers on when a character sees the line and decides to cross it anyway. For our open prompt, write about a line that is not supposed to be crossed and the instant that it is. Focus less on the act itself and more on what shifts internally and relationally. How the character justifies the decision, what they sense is slipping out of reach, and what they understand can never return to how it was. Stay anchored in the immediacy of the moment before the consequences fully unfold. And for our directive prompt, write a scene in which a character knowingly commits a small but consequential transgression, taking something that isn't theirs, saying the thing they've rehearsed not to say, violating a boundary that was agreed upon, or something like that. Track the buildup through the concrete physical cues, stalling gestures, intrusive thoughts, bodily reactions, environmental details, all that serve to heighten the tension. End the scene the second the line is crossed before anyone else responds. And when you're finished, let me know in the comments, what did this prompt bring up for you that surprised you about either your story or about the character inside of it? Happy writing, everyone.